too soon. But don't cry for me, Argentina. The food is just one of the reasons I'm visiting San Telmo. This market is also a kind of living museum, with vendors selling all sorts of dusty trinkets and treasures from Argentina's past. And in this very neighborhood, investigators made shocking discoveries. Old helmets, knives, and war medals, all emblazoned with swastikas, being sold right out in the open. And then, just recently, news of a much bigger discovery. In June of 2017, Interpol agents investigating unusual art sales discovered the largest treasure trove of Nazi artifacts ever found in Argentina. The story garnered headlines around the world. Today, I've been granted unprecedented access to the objects. Chief Inspector, very nice to meet you.
Please, come with me.
Marcelo El Ibe is Argentina's Federal Police Commissioner for the Protection of Cultural Heritage. He leads me into a sealed evidence room where the artifacts are being stored. Oh my God. Unbelievable, this is all from one raid.
Yes.
Okay, where?
We found in a house in Buenos Aires, hidden away behind the library.
That doesn't happen in real life. This is like from the movies. Marcelo tells me the police received intel that a local art dealer was selling potentially illegal items. They raided his home, pushed aside a false bookcase, and discovered dozens of artifacts, including a bust of Adolf Hitler, a set of harmonicas for Nazi youth, even a Third Reich Ouija board with symbols for invade and destroy.
The idea that somebody would be making military decisions based on an occult object is literally crazy.
Despite the display of ornate objects, the crown jewel of the collection is fairly unassuming.
This is an important object,
It's a set of magnifying glasses.
but the most important thing is this.
It's a photograph of Hitler.
This was in the case.
This is the magnifying glass that he's holding in the photo.
Yes.
So if this is authentic, I'm holding something that was held by Adolf Hitler.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put this down now. Okay, so how did these things get to Argentina after World War II? Clearly there was some channel to get them here.
Sí. Y es posible.
Marcelo says that many of the items likely entered Argentina after the war with high-ranking members of the Nazi Party. And do you think that there is much more like this still out there to be found in Argentina?
Yes.
Okay.